Hello, my name's Taylor Jansen, and I'm going to be doing our Week 3 reflection on my impression of Web 2.0 applications. Overall, I'd say I have a good impression of the Web 2.0 in the classroom. They really offer a lot of different options for student learning, and differentiation in the classroom instruction has proven to make a huge difference in the students' ability to learn. Web 2.0 allows teachers to vary their instruction in both the classroom and the take-home assignments. However, I'm not really sold on the whole social networking idea being used in a classroom setting yet. I think tools like blogs, wikis, social networking, social bookmarking, even Khan Academy can be great in a classroom setting. These tools really enhance the classroom learning experience, and they provide a visual interaction for the kids, parental interaction, and even provide online homework. Um, a few ways that Web 2.0 can be integrated into a classroom is by using wikis and social bookmarking. Wikis would be a great tool for a group assignment. This would allow the students to really collaborate and work together both in class and from home, and I think they would provide a better overall product. The other tool that I think would be great is social bookmarking. There's a lot of great content on the web, and it's really hard to keep track of all of it. The one that I liked the most was Evernote. Um, it's a website that has the capability to take notes, add pictures, audio, save web addresses, organize the notes, and even share them with other teachers. And it can even be helpful for both the student and the teacher. Students can use this site as well and share project information and research with the teacher and other students, and even take notes just for a class. Teachers could save their lesson plans, they could share them with students, especially with those who just happen to miss class. One of the websites that came to mind is Dropbox. I have used quite often. It has similar abilities to Evernote. It keeps all of your files in one place. It's usually free unless you do a professional version, and it also has the ability to collaborate with others, and it's really widely used in the professional world. This makes sharing information really easy, and it can be used on a variety of platforms. The second website I used was Edmodo. This site is for teachers, students, and parents, and you start by building a profile of yourself in the category that you fit in, such as a teacher, and then when you complete your profile, it lays out all of the options that are available, and it makes it seem as if it is a virtual classroom. So it has an option to create a class for discussion, sharing content, sharing assignments, applying quizzes, has the ability to share with other teachers within your school and to look up new learning resources. It even provides a calendar to notify when the assignments are due. The home screen button allows you to share content with teachers and parents, similar to like a Facebook home screen, and it can be sorted by hashtags. And one of the last things that was very handy is that it has a messaging system. So if a parent needs to reach out to you off privately, or a student has a question about an assignment that they missed, it would be a great way to address it there. I think this site would be a great addition to any classroom. In conclusion, I believe that as technology becomes more available in the everyday classroom, so will the implication of Web 2.0, and it offers so many educational tools that it should be used to maximize learning in every classroom.